All racing cars sit low to the ground, but that poses a real problem for the guys. Their lift's designed for road cars, so to get vital access to the front bumper, they'll need to improvise.
Mike, Pav.
Why? I'm clear.
OK, this car is too low for this. We need something that's going to be a longer descent.
I'm actually stressing out in a minute.
Let me check down the side of the building.
They need to create more of a shallow angle, so the Ferrari eases its way onto the lift and doesn't damage the bodywork.
Hold on.
Oh, hello. Well done, boys. Is this going to work?
Hopefully, yeah.
Please tell me that's going to work.
Wait, we're playing up. Wait, stop.
He's up. We're good.
What up, Mike?
Now the car is on the ramp, they can see the fragile bodywork would be damaged by the lift if they tried to use it.
The ramp we've got ain't gonna work for this car.
Without raising the Ferrari, the team aren't sure the strip down can continue.
Doors are fine, everything else is fine. It's just the front bumper, yeah. All right, so let's cross that bridge when we get to it.
So a decision is made. Strip what they can and tackle the front bumper tomorrow.
Yeah, you good? My God, this weighs nothing.
Right, the wheel arch right there. There you go. Sponsors though. Cool.
All right, boom. We've got this off. Don't worry.
What do you want, a Blue Peter badge,
I've already got my Blue Peter badge. You need one, bruv.